Are you stuck with this error code on your Windows? Then here are the best ways to fix this error and return to your work again. First up, deactivate Data Execution Prevention or DEP. You can do that by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command, then press Enter and wait for the process to be completed. Additionally, check your applications and PC version and compatibility. Now you can check your PC's version by going to Settings, click on About, then check the application's version by going to Settings again, select Apps, click on any specific application, select More Options, choose Advanced Options, and check if the application and your operating system are compatible with each other. Additionally, check if the application and your operating system are compatible with each other, like running an SFC command in the command prompt with admin rights, repairing the application from Settings, or you can also run a malware scan from your Windows security. And those are the following ways on how you can fix the following error code on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.